Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to see your oldest liked videos on TikTok and how to find them quickly. TikTok doesn't have a built-in start by oldest button, which is why many users struggle to locate their earliest liked videos. The only way to reach them is by scrolling to the very bottom of your liked pages. First, open up TikTok or TikTok Lite in your phone and go to your profile. Tap on the heart button. These are all your liked videos. For example, this first video is your most recent liked video. Scroll down all the way. The video on your very end is your earliest liked video, and that's how you find your oldest liked videos on TikTok. For more TikTok tips, check out our next DelftStack tutorial video.